In 2022, I bought my Redmi Note 10 Pro, dark night color, 6 GB RAM with 128 internal storage. Now in 2025, how it is holding up? Does it still meet 2025 standards? I have been using this device for the past 1 week. So here are my thoughts revisiting the Redmi Note 10 Pro in 2025. This device is one of the finest devices back in 2021. Snapdragon 732G is the best mid-range processor that money can get. This launched with the 120Hz AMOLED display with stereo Dolby audio. That's great, no doubt on it. Even in 2025, this still feels premium. The bezels are not so big. You have 33-watt fast charging, which charges the device in 80 minutes. You have the headphone jack, and to be honest, MIUI 14 with Android 13 feels smooth. The smoothness that I was missing in my Redmi Note 11, Redmi 12 5G and Note 12 4G. The app opening and closing animation and background app retention are still great. The Snapdragon 732G paired with 6 GB RAM is not a joke. This feels still relevant. I like it a lot. The media experience is top notch. The 4K HDR playback paired with the Dolby stereo speaker audio experience is really great. I love to consume content on this device. So you feel like there is only positives on device. There isn't any negative? Well, there are some negatives which I have to talk. Let's talk about the software. Even though the user experience wise the device performs great, you have the security patch of March 2023, which is almost 2 years old. You are stuck with MIUI 14 with Android 13, even though the device is capable of latest security patch and latest Android updates. Redmi just follows strict 2-year support on software. You got two major Android updates and security patches. Now what to do? You still can use the device, the hardware is capable. Here is what our development and custom ROM stuffs comes into the picture. There are multiple people supporting this device. Even we made tons of videos for the same. If you want to know more on how to update or install latest custom ROMs, watch our dedicated Redmi Note 10 Pro or Pro Max playlist. Link available in the description as well as in the I button. Software side apart, what are the other major issues? Well, 732G is known for its performance. It is not that energy efficient like the latest 4nm processors, so that the battery got hit. I am getting the screen on time of 4.5 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours only. Even every night have to charge the device up. Another side, this 732G is the 4G chip. As of 2025, the 5G is like normal. Having 4G is not like slow, but network operators provide unlimited 5G. Even though the device is 4G, it supports carrier aggregation and sometimes it outperforms the 5G network speed. Good stuff. Overall, for me, Redmi Note 10 Pro is decent and good in some cases even after 4 years from its launch. The processor is good, media experience is great, and battery charging is average. I am looking forward for the development related for this device in my channel. If you are someone who uses this device, let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more future updates. Thank you for watching. Kote Moto.